Hello, kindergarten families and incoming kindergartners. On behalf of Plano Elementary School and the Plano Kindergarten team, I would like to welcome you to our family. My name is Chad Woodworth, and next year will mark my 9th year as a kindergarten teacher at Plano Elementary. For 2 of those years, I taught a K-1, kindergarten first grade combined class, and my heart definitely belongs with the little ones. Tonight, we are coming together virtually for our kindergarten readiness family meeting. Throughout this presentation, you will meet the other kindergarten teachers as we guide you through what we would like to see for our incoming kindergartners, and we will provide some resources to help you help your child. So let's talk about kindergarten readiness. School readiness in Kentucky means that a child enters school ready to engage in and benefit from early learning experiences that best promote the child's success. When Kentucky first studied the data from kindergarten screeners, it was discovered that only 3 in 10 children were kindergarten ready. By 2018, all Kentucky schools participated in a uniform screening program, and that data revealed that 5 in 10 children were kindergarten ready. That's still just 50%. The Kentucky Governor's Office of Early Childhood Development has divided readiness into 5 important development sections. And those sections are health and physical well-being, social and emotional development, language and communication development, approaches to learning, and general knowledge and mathematics. I feel that it is also important to share with you that the skills and behaviors we are discussing tonight are simply hopes and aspirations for where we would like to see incoming kindergartners, and by no means are they expectations. We realize that not every child will master all of these skills and behaviors prior to beginning kindergarten, and these skills and behaviors are not used to determine school eligibility. Students simply have to meet the age requirements. A student must turn 5 on or before August 1st, and all children in Kentucky must enroll by the age of 6. So our first developmental category is health and physical well-being. So what does this mean your children do? Well, obviously, eat a balanced diet. That's important for all of us, but of course, it's very important for children because it does very much impact their health and their brain function and all kinds of things. It's important that children get plenty of rest. They play hard, and once we begin kindergarten, it is a full day. And in some cases, you'll find that your child will come home very tired for probably several weeks. Not everybody reacts that way, but the point being that it is important that children get plenty of sleep. It is also important that your child receives all required immunizations. Of course, you can visit your doctor or a doctor for those things. It is important that your child receives regular medical, vision, and dental care. And lastly, it is important that children, although it says runs, jumps, and does other activities that children enjoy. Most children enjoy running and jumping and just playing and being children. And that is important that they desire to do that.